A is for apple. A apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for camel. Camel. D is for door. Door. A is for egg. Egg. F is for fish. Fish. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for hammer. Hammer. I is for iron. Iron. J is for jar. Jar. K is for kid. Kid. L is for lemon. Lemon. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nose. Nose. O is for oil. Oil. P is for peacock. Peacock. Q is for quail. Quail. R is for river. River. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tomato. Tomato. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for vase. Vase. W is for whale. Whale. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Stationery name. Sharpener. Pencil box. Razor. Pencil. Ball pen. Fountain pen. Pencil colors. Ruler. Notebook. Watercolor. Crayon.